dear student, welcome to you e-learning class managed by Modern English School Nawada. Dear student, myself Sujay Kumar, your mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area Nawada. Dear student, today I discuss some problem of exercise 5. This type problem I solve in examples, but today I discuss one by one again. This is the exercise 5A related to arithmetic progression. Some problem you see here. First we start question number first. Your question is, it is AP or not? You give the reason from this sequence. Here is 9, 15, 21, 27, dot dot dot. It is AP or not? So T1, T2 minus T1 is equal to 50 minus 9, that is 6, and T3 minus T2, that is 21 minus 15, that is 6. So we can say that is T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Here is 6 and there is also 6. So it is clear it is in AP. Because the difference between two consecutive terms are always equal, then we can say it is in AP. Here some right questions in the square root form, and it is a rational number. So first you find out it is 20, you write 2 into 5. This is 45, you write 3 into 5. This is 80, you write 2 into 5. So here common, here is 2 root 5, there is 3 root 5, and here is 4 root 5. Dear student, what is T2 minus T1? That is 3 root 5 minus 2 root 5, that is root 5. Similarly, T3 minus T2, that is 4 root 5 minus 3 root 5, that is root 5. Hence we can say that T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Now see question number 2, that is 20 term of an AP 9, 13, 17, 1 and 21. So we write here A is equal to 9, D is equal to 13 minus 9, that is 6, and N is equal to 20. So what is Tn? Then Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So we write here A is equal to 9 plus N is equal to 20 minus 1 and D is equal to 6. Then we get 9 plus 19 into 6. Then here is 9 plus 114, then it is 123. It is good solution. Similarly, the 15 term of an AP is minus 40, minus 15, then etc. So in this question, A is equal to minus 40, D is equal to minus 15 minus 40, that is minus 15 plus 40, that is 25, and N is equal to 15. So Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, that is A is equal to minus 40 plus N is equal to 15 minus 1 into D is equal to minus 15. So right here minus 40 plus 14 into 15. So what you get? It is minus 40 and multiply here, that is 14 into 15. 15 4 is 60 and 5 1 0 6 5 1 2 210. Then your answer will be 210 minus 40. So 0 and it is 70. So your answer is 170. That is your solution. So dear student, this is question number 2. You find A and D, and nth term is given, that is 20 term. Then you at the place of n you write 20. Now next question, here is 15 term. So at the place of n write 15, and then you can find the solution. Now see question number 4. that is find the value of p for which the numbers 2p minus 1, 3p plus 1 and 11 are in AP, hence find the number. Dear student, here given that is 2p minus 1, next 3p plus 1 and 11 are in AP, then it is clear. So you can say that is T2 minus T1 is always equal to T3 minus T2. If it is in AP, then it is clear T2 minus T1 is always equal to T3 minus T2. So right here 3p plus 1 minus 2p minus 1 is equal to 11 minus 3p plus 1. What you get? You get here 3p plus 1 minus 2p plus 1 is equal to 11 minus 3p minus 1. Then it is 3p minus 2p and plus 3p. Now here minus and here is 11 minus 1. Here is plus 1, then it is minus 1. Here is plus 1, then minus 1. What you get? 3 plus 6 minus 2. That is 4p and it is 11 minus 3, that is 8. So what is p? P is 8 by 4, that is 2. So first solution is, what is the value of p? Then it is clear, value of p is 2 because the differences between two consecutive terms of R in AP are always equal. Then it is clear T2 minus T1 is always equal to T3 minus T2. Now your question is, what are the terms? And term are 2p minus 1, that is 2 into p is 2 minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, 3, and second is 3p plus 1, that is 3 into 2 plus 1, that is 7, and last is 11. So your number will be 3, 7, 11 are in AP. So there are two questions related to this problem. First, what is the value of p, and if you find the value of p, then what is the numbers of the AP? And numbers are 2p minus 1, 3p plus 1. So you write 3, 7, 11 are in AP. See here, question number 6. If the nth term of progression 4n minus 10, so that it is in AP. First condition, your question is given 4n minus 10. You have to prove it is in AP. Next, if you find AP, then what is first term, what is common difference, and what is 16th term. Dear student, if this term is given in the form of n, then you write its first term is 4 into 1 minus 10, that is 4 minus 10, that is minus 6. Second term is equal to 4 into 2 minus 10, that is 8 minus 10, that is minus 2. And third term is 4 into 3 minus 10, that is 12 minus 10, that is 2. So here is minus 6, minus 2 and 2. First term is minus 6, second term is minus 2, and third term is 2. Now your question, it is in AP or not? So you find that if what is T2 minus T1, then T2 is minus 2 and minus 6. Then you get minus 2 plus 6, that is 4. And what is T3 minus T2? That is T3 is 2 and here minus 2, that is 2 plus 2, that is 4. Then it is clear T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. So you can say that T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. So it is in AP. It is in AP. So these are in AP. Now if it is in AP, then what is the first term? So first term, that is A, is equal to minus 6. What is common difference? That is CD. It is the common difference between them is 4. And your question is what is 16th term? So at the nth place you write 16. Then you get 4 into 16 minus 10. That is 64 minus 10. That is 54 is the 16th term. So T16 term is 54. So there are 3 questions in this. So you can find at the place of n you write 1, 2, 3. Then you can get AP. How it is in AP? So you find T2 minus T1 and T3 minus T2. If both are equal, then it is in AP. And lastly, find first term, common difference and 16. Now see question number 8, that is how many terms are there in AP, that is 41, 38, 35 dot dot 8. Then here is clear, A is equal to 41, common difference CD is equal to 38 minus 41, that is minus 3, and last term that is denoted by Tn, that is 8. And formula is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So you write here that is at the place of A is 41 plus n minus 1 into D. What is D? D is minus 3 is equal to 8. So here is 41 minus 3n plus 3 is equal to 8. Then 44 minus 3n is equal to 8. Then write minus 3n is equal to 8 minus 44. Then minus 3n is equal to minus 36. So minus cancel, that is n is equal to 36 by 3, that is 12. So number of terms is equal to 12. It is your first question, that is question number 8, that how many terms are there in AP if last term is given. This last term is also denoted by L. Other name is Tn and other also name is Tn and An, and it is also called last term, that is N. Similarly, in question, which term of AP is 88? That means it is given the last term is 88 given. It is which term? That is Tn is equal to 88. I write here that A plus Cn minus 1 into D is equal to 88. So what is A? In this question, A is 3 plus n minus 1 and D is 5 because 8 minus 3 is 5 is equal to 88. So what you get here? You get 3 plus 5n minus 5 is equal to 88. Then 5n minus 2 is equal to 88. So 5n is equal to 88 plus 2, that is 90. Hence you can say that 5n is equal to 90. So n is equal to 90 by 5, that is 8. So which term is 88? That is, you can say that 18th term of this AP is 88. So this type of questions, you write the formula, you have A, D, N and last term and put their value, then absent term you can find out.